Do you like the look of natural bluestone and you're looking for a better alternative? Maybe something that has all of its strengths and none of its weaknesses? Stay tuned. For 2025, our main focus will be replacing natural bluestone pavers with our Pietra blue. This project was completed in a three-piece pattern of 32 by 32, 16 by 32, and a 16 by 16 2cm porcelain paver. And the reason why this homeowner decided to invest in our bluestone replacement is because it has all of the beautiful aesthetics of natural bluestone without any of its weaknesses. So here's the deal. Natural bluestone looks absolutely beautiful when it's first laid down, but it will begin browning and rusting due to oxidation in a short period of time. Natural bluestone also flakes due to natural weather and erosion, and it also absorbs hard to remove stains and changes in color when chemical cleaning agents are applied to it. And if you live by a body of water, sea salt is going to break down the bluestone faster over time. With our properly manufactured porcelain, you eliminate all of these issues, making for a long-lasting investment for your home. All of our porcelain pavers are manufactured to the highest standard in the industry because we only focus on producing outdoor pavers. Now that's important because many of the manufacturers are using their machines to make both indoor ceramic and outdoor porcelain, and that can compromise the quality of their product, leading to ultimately underperforming. And that's due to improper cooking temperatures and cooking times, eliminating the benefits of porcelain pavers entirely. How can you tell? A white line at the edge of the porcelain is a sure indicator that the paver is undercooked, which is not only compromising to the strength but also the glaze, which will cause you to get the following results: shattering or chipping when making cuts, overheating in high temperatures, high slip feel to the surface of the paver, a high absorption rate of liquid resulting in deep unremovable stains. So if anyone in the industry is offering you a sealer for their porcelain, that in fact is not a quality product. It is a ceramic. Our porcelain, on the other hand, has been installed on many rooftops in Manhattan for commercial applications and residential homes for driveways, walkways, pools, patios, and there's 8 reasons why we stand the test of time. The color on our porcelain glaze will not fade. Anti-slip, R11 or R12 rating. It's not absorbent, easy to clean, resistant to heavy loads, long-lasting and anti-frost, mildew and moss resistant, resistant to acids, chemical products, and salts, and it's resistant to temperature changes. Now, I truly wish every company was invested in making a quality product because a rising tide lifts all boats, and outdoor porcelain pavers needs the good reputation that it deserves to move our industry forward, and it is the next evolutionary step for pavers. I strongly recommend you see our pavers in person to touch and feel at any one of our 80 dealer locations all over New York, where you can visit one of our displays and see our quality product. And if you have a couple of minutes, check out our video where I poured used car oil on natural bluestone and on our porcelain paver so you can see the difference in maintenance. And if our bluestone replacement Pietra blue isn't for you, we also have a long list of stock colors that we have here in New York and full access to hardscape.com's full color options to make sure we get the right color for your project, including a 16 by 32 3cm, which is vehicular safe for traffic. If you want to reach out to me for a sample chip to conduct your own experiments at home, my number is 917-227-7765. I thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.